In the world of precision manufacturing, efficiency and accuracy are key. Introducing BOBO's fully automatic integrated brake oil tube, straightening cutting, end forming, and nuts inserting machine. An innovative machine that improves productivity, reduces costs, and ensures high quality, helping you to multiply your productivity. The process starts with the decoiler, which smoothly unwinds the raw tubing, ensuring a stable and consistent feed into the machine. Next, with a multi-stage straightening process, the tubing is perfectly aligned, ensuring precision in the next processing steps. Chamfering removes any sharp edges, creating a smooth finish, while end forming shapes the tube for optimal fitting in brake systems. With an intelligent transmission system, the tube is smoothly and precisely transferred to the next stage, ensuring continuous operation. The nuts are automatically arranged and fed using a high-speed vibratory feeder, ensuring seamless integration with the tube. With pinpoint accuracy, our robotic system inserts the nut onto the tube, ensuring a secure and reliable fit every time. Finally, chamfering and end forming are performed on the other side, ensuring a perfectly processed tube ready for assembly. BOBO Machinery's fully automatic integrated brake oil tube, straightening cutting, end forming, and nuts inserting machine, efficient, intelligent, and precise. Choose our fully automatic brake oil tube forming machine to take your production to the next level.